Welcome to our channel. If you want to effectively find and use promotional codes to access free trials of premium services, follow these step-by-step instructions to discover and redeem the best offers available. Step 1. Search for promotional codes on dedicated coupon websites, deal forums, and social media groups where members share working codes for various services. Step 2. Follow the official social media accounts of services you're interested in, as companies frequently share exclusive promotional codes with their followers during special events or campaigns. Step 3. Sign up for email newsletters from service providers, as they often send targeted promotional codes to potential customers, especially those who visit the site without subscribing. Step 4. Check browser extensions like Honey or Rakuten that automatically find and apply promotional codes at checkout, saving time and potentially discovering codes you wouldn't find manually. Step 5. When you find a promotional code, verify its validity by checking the expiration date, eligible regions, and any restrictions such as new users only or specific subscription tiers. Step 6. Visit the service provider's website and begin the sign-up process, looking for a promotional code entry field that's typically visible during the payment information step. Step 7. Enter the promotional code exactly as provided, being careful with lettercase and any special characters. Then confirm the code is accepted before completing registration. Step 8. Verify that your account reflects the promotional trial period, and set a reminder to evaluate the service and cancel if needed before the trial ends. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.